Hey guys, and welcome to this new drawing tutorial how to draw a simple face. We're gonna make it way simpler than this drawing right here. Let's get started. Okay, so what you need is just a pencil and eraser. So yeah, that's what I got. So well, let's get started again. Okay, so we're gonna do the basic, like draw a circle. Obviously, that's the basic of drawing. And first, you draw a circle. Like, not need to be the perfect circle, just a cycle, And then you're gonna do a line in the middle. Well, my line is not in the middle, whatever. On a line, another line. You see where I put it. And then you're gonna link them, like on those, like where I showed. And yeah, that is it. I linked it. Wow, congratulations. Magic. You appear like that. So now you're gonna do a hairline and make it very fine. Make it finer than my own. And make it prettier than my own. Yes. So you do a hairline and yes, that's my hairline. And you gotta erase the walking in the middle so the face will be neater, you know what I mean? So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm erasing it. Here I'm erasing the head and I'm redoing it because I don't like it. And redo it exactly. So that's what I'm doing. Not everything. I mean hair, the head. Yeah. Now some ears, some cute little ears. Okay. So some parts are off, as you can tell. You know how to proportion it to make it cleaner, better. And yeah, I'm gonna redo this part now. Let me redo it, please. But it's fine though. So next thing now we're gonna do the eyes and stuff. So this is how I do eyes. Like another video I uploaded on how to draw eyes, like more like in detail. So this you're just doing some lines at the top, like some curved line on the top, and then down also you're doing curved line. Yeah, and then you're doing like a circle in the middle. Not in the middle, like it depends on where your eyes is facing, but I just did it kind of like at the right. And then you're gonna decorate it by adding some light and shade into the eye. So that's what I'm about to do now. Okay, not now. So yeah, it's just okay. Here, the light. Yeah, zoom a little bit more so that you guys will see it more. How to do it? Some light just to a circle, and the shade you just do like another circle in the middle to do the iris, and then you just shade it. And then you go to the eyelashes popping, but first the eyebrows. So the eyebrows, you're just gonna do an arch it, just arch, whatever you want to arch it, make it fine, make it arched. Okay, so I'm resuming it a little better now, and you're gonna do the eyelashes, like yeah, those beautiful eyelashes, because obviously it depends on your style though. Some people don't put eyelashes, some people put it. Really depends on your style. For my style, I put eyelashes up and down, and I also do a little like bags under the eyes because I find it very cute. Now for the nose, you gotta do a circle, like I'm zooming right now so you guys see it better. Do a circle, and then in the middle of the circle, like on the spacing circle, you just do that, and then erase all the markings, and then leave it a little bit seen, like it's a little bit seeable. Is that a word? And then you just like do that, yeah. And it's cute. Yeah, it's cute. A little button nose, and yeah, you did it. Now the mouth. The mouth is the one of the easiest, but also the hardest. So this method I'm using right now is just like I'm doing 3 points and I'm linking them, 3 dots. I mean, and I'm linking them, and then I'm doing upper lips, and then lips down. Wait, what the hell am I doing? I'm saying, anyways. So yeah, it's good, cute, and all. But seeing that something's off, so I'm redoing the face shape a little bit to match my desire. Yeah, I'm doing it. Yeah, and also that ear and that hairline at the top, please let me redo it because it seems so off. Although we're gonna erase it later, but still, I'm a perfectionist when it comes to art. So that's what I'm doing right now. And also like detailing a little bit the eyebrows. I like it. Oh no, I'm redoing it. I don't like it. Okay, so it's fine now. Please don't mind me. I used to do that all the time when I work with my art. As I said before, I'm a perfectionist. Don't be a perfectionist. Not good at all. It keeps you from improving. I'm not gonna do the hair, so for that I'm just doing the swirly and pretty. Okay, so you guys should just look at what I'm doing on the video to just like do the hair. So I will try to explain it the best I can. So here I'm making it like another line down. Is way down than the other one that I did. As you can tell, this is how the hair is gonna be. You gotta erase the workings. By the workings here, I mean like the head shape, the hairline. You erase all that because you don't need that now. I mean, you don't really need that now since you started the hair. Now you just make it swirly. You done. You do that and that. Make it cleaner than my own, okay? Since this is a quick version, it's not the slow version. If you guys want me to upload the slow version, just like comment down below. The slow version I'm gonna do like more detail and slow, and the video will be very long, like maybe like 10 minutes or so. I'm trying to make my video very short because the other how to draw a face tutorial was very long. So you can tell I erased some parts and I'm redoing it because it didn't match my likings and the proportion of the face, I believe. So here is it now. This way is good, and down you just like doing those spiky little stuff. And then obviously the neck, you did the neck, and then for that head, look what I'm doing. Just look carefully what I'm doing. I changed also because I thought it was too up. And then you're just going to do some lines on that place that is empty. That was empty. Now it's no more empty. And I erased the part that inside the hair because yeah, it make it more realistic and more pretty. Like not the whole. Even if the eyes was still inside the hair. Now you're done. Congratulations. I hope yours look better than mine. Well, you're done now. This is how to draw a face, like easy method, the quickest method I can give you. Thank you a bunch for watching this video and for sticking up until the end. Love you. Bye.